Understanding how the technology impact the flow of transaction, assess the completeness and the scope of ICFR systems, and design insufficient and appropriate audit procedures. Access the appropriateness of management and process to select, develop, and operate, the maintain the control related to organization technology based on the extent of technologies used. Companies planning on new robotic process automation, a streamlined hiring process. Earlier, the company used to hire from campuses for various management. It should lead to high recruitment costs, insufficient higher yield, and resultant lack of diversity. How RPA, robotic process automation, can be used in automate the higher process. List out the initiative steps. How can you like benefit using the actual hiring process? Next generation audit. Next generation audit is a human-led tech-powered data driven. It is based on a combination of emerging technology and redefine the audits perform. Next generation audit aims to from to sampling population to full population analysis, multiple database to one database set. These connected tools to integrated economic services, manual risk assessment to dynamic data-driven risk assessment, separate communication to embedded communication, repetitive task to high-value work capacity of work, manual work to automation, ad hoc insight to insight from broader audit. We live in an era of fast technology progress and new digital card services, applications, and tools being developed almost daily basis. 3D printing, augmented reality, and virtual reality, biotechnology, auditing through drones. This is an unarmed aerial vehicles and quantum technologies are used in rapid advances areas and using implication of society. Drone technology. Using drone technology is a remote location for stock counts. Drones has been a great payout capacity of carrying sensors, cameras. They are the photographs and physical examination count a large quantity of fixed assets and inventory. Drone captures audit information and combination of various alternative sources of information like QR code reader, handheld bar scanner, manual counter, optimum quantity deliveries, consolidated audit information, enhancing the executive speed while ensuring correctness and completeness of data. Drone technology. Use of the drone technology is a remote location like for stock counts. Drones have a great payload capacity for carrying sensors and cameras. They can photograph and physically examine the count of large quantities of fixed asset and inventories. Drone captured audit information can be combined with various alternative sources of information like QR code readers, handheld bar scanners, manual counts. This optimum quantity and deliverables and consolidate the audit information, enhance the executing speed while considering correctness and completion of data. Augmented reality. The technology allows user to view the real world environment with augmented reality elements and generate digital devices. One famous thing is Pokemon Go is a game, a mobile device which players can chase imaginary digital creatures visible with mobile phones around the physical location. Virtual reality. Virtual reality goes a step forward and replaces a real world entirely with a simulation environment, creating those digital generation images, sounds, and even touch using the special equipment such as custom sets, and user can explore simulation world and stimulate experiences flying and skydiving. Examples of augmented and virtual reality. In architecture and engineering business, the AR VR allows architects to see the business building plans and come to life, becoming and being built. It is a business sector. These business technology allows products to be reviewed and customized and improve productivity and offering new marketing possibilities. In healthcare, AR can provide our surgeons with additional information. They are operating on the patient such as heartbeat, blood pressure monitoring, and virtual XR and Vision Pro. Vision Pro is essential augmented reality headset of seamlessly blend of the real and digital process. These devices are switched between augmented and full virtual reality using the metaverse. The metaverse is an MO 3D digital space. It can go virtual reality, augmented reality, other advanced and internet technology to allow people to have lifelike personal and business experience online. It requires a convention of digital technology to combine and extend the reach of using cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality. The internet offers many experience today, but tomorrow metaverse will feel more interconnected than ever before. We are heading towards a mature landscape of virtual space in transferable identities and access enables the blockchains that is interoperable and interchangeable in further including high automated systems. immersive interfaces, and hyper-connected networks and digital reflex. Such interconnection for futures. Beyond the cryptocurrencies, coins, and exchange, players in the multiverse will need to consider how to build a digital monetary system, apply economic principle in this like digital land. Governance models becomes more and more difficult to balance openness and user contribution to strategic directions and innovation. Identity of the digital world is historic being different based on the platform utilized. These practical challenges and identity will also have considered the metaverse. Synchronicity is the ability to aspect of metaverse in a multiverse. The simulation in the real world, including transaction action happening in the multiverse, are depending upon infrastructure of digital economics, networks, and computing program the power to require to operate in digital world. Case scenarios to illustrate the potential application of metaverse in financial domain. Virtual banking transaction. The forward thinking of financial institution establish presence in the metaverse to offer virtual banking service. Users can create a virtual bank accounts and access personalized financial dashboard and perform transactions within virtual currencies. Customers can seamlessly transfer funds, making virtual purchases, enhancing virtual commerce with all this immense environment in the metaverse. Next is YZ Bank in which leverages and metaverse provides conviction interactive banking experience, attractive tech savvy customers to value digital innovation. Digital asset management. Well, this digital asset management companies recognize the growth popularity in visual assets in metaverse. These launch virtual assets trading platform within the metaverse, allowing users to buy, sell, trade NFTs and other digital assets. And investors can diversify portfolio and participate in the virtual auctions and even showcase their rituals or art collections or virtual gallery. Crypto investors and leverages the metaverse decentralized secure infrastructures facilitate transportation efficiency transactions in the virtual assets. Virtual financial education and training. The financial learning academy aims to enhance the financial literacy using metaverse. They create virtual classroom environment which participants can attend in interactive financial education session. Students can engage in simulation investment activities and learn about budgeting, financial planning, gain handheld equipments through virtual trading simulations. Financial Learning Academy leverages the immersive nature of metaverse and provides and enables the practical financial education platform and preparing individuals for real world financial challenges. Virtual meeting and conferences. For leading industries, even the organization host and virtual conference within the metaverse. Participants from all around the world access the conference through virtual avatars. They attend the keynote speeches, panels, decisions, networking events, and virtual conference hall. Attendees can intend with the industrial exports, explore the virtual exhibition booths, and establish valuable connections in the virtual sectors. Global Financial Summit leverages a metaverse to create global and immense conference experience and fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing. Data visualization analysis. The common utilizing and metaverse to offer advanced data visualization analysis tools to financial professionals. The visual analysis platform allows users to visualize complex financial data in interactive and immersive 3D environment. Users can explore the data trends, conduct simulations, and analyze financial performance through illustrative interfaces within the metaverse. Analyze the solution limited and leverage the metaverse immerse capabilities and enhance data-driven decision-making enables the financial profession to gain deeper insights to market trends and making informed investment decisions. Common risk associated. Beyond this potential, these technology can also be challenged as public safety, cybersecurity, data privacy, data protection, lack of standards, and technical challenges. Since they often track movement and data, massive amount of data is generated about the whereabouts of users. It can also arise questions about taxation, judicial, customer protection, regulation, authors. Then think of the controls about privacy, data security, governance, and make it regulations. Conclusion. And the emerging technology about opportunity of organization bill they also expose them by enterprises new risk auditors and expected to identify the rights between the cost and benefit of internal control of mitigation risk factors. This includes understanding the technology integrates with the business, how it's governed, how the activities are automated, and how they are controlled, and what is the business impact of the result of automation, how the negative impact on control monitored. Though the auditors are not expected to be expert in each technology, they should be able to identify the risk inherent in this technology. This includes understanding the technology architecture and the internal control framework and embedded technology and integrating with this business. Key takeaway: the audit improves the quality of opinion, consequently leads to more reliable audit approach and leads to save of time, save of cost, save of human effort, which can be utilized towards a more productive task. Audit digitally is used in advancement of technology for conducting effectiveness, efficient audit, a rapidly growing IT environment, and essential to adopt the technology in the auditing practices. It is necessary for the audit to understand the key area of automated environment. Such key areas include understanding the flow of transaction, identifying significant systems, identifying the manual and automated controls, identify the technology used. It is also imperative upon the auditors to identify the risk arising on the IT. Auditor may consider the nature of identity of IT applicable and the applicability of risk arising from the use of IT, also identifying the related cybersecurity. It's more likely there are more risk arising on the IT when the volume of a complexity and automated applicable controls risk and management place a greater reliance on the controls and effective processing transaction and effective maintenance of integrity and underlying information. Cyber risk is considered like a business risk. It's necessary for auditor to understand the cyber risk that is of entity and should include gaining more knowledge about cyber security framework of the entity. Cybersecurity framework includes how management is identifying the risk and protecting and safeguard of assets, including electronic assets from the risk management prepares and detect the risk and anomalies and response to the adherence event. Apart from cybersecurity policies and procedures, frameworks, and regular assessment in place, management should take a strong updated internal control for ensure that the cover of cyber risk. Such controls include control over vendor setup, electronic fund transfer, and patch management. Emerging technology business also transforming the auditing landscape in data analysis, artificial intelligence, robotic and blockchain. Some of these technologies. Audited technology also has a technology risk consideration like relying upon the program which is inaccurate processing the data and improving the technology's personal gaining access privilege beyond the necessary to perform this duty. Inability to access the data is required for cybersecurity, etc.